Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this quadratic equation in which we have to find the value of x. So we are given x plus 3 times x plus 9 equals to 1672. Now solve this bracket, we get x squared plus 9x plus 3x plus 27 equals to 1672. Now bring this 1672 to the left hand side, we get x squared plus 12x plus 27 minus 1672 equals to 0. And further solving this, we get x squared plus 12x minus 1645 equals to 0. Now to find the value of x, let's use the quadratic formula which says x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a for any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here in this case x equals to minus 12 plus minus 12 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1645 divided by 2 times 1. On solving this we get minus 12 plus minus under root 12 square is 144 plus 4 times 1 4 times 1645 is equal to 6580 divided by 2. So x equals to minus 12 plus minus under root, when we add 144 plus 6580 we get 6724 divided by 2, and on further solving this we get x equals to minus 12 plus minus under root of 6724 is 82 divided by 2. So we have two values of x. One is minus 12 minus 82 divided by 2 is equal to minus 94 divided by 2 is equal to minus 47. And the second value is minus 12 plus 82 divided by 2 is equal to 70 by 2, that is 35. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.